10 reasons why you should become rich. In times of desperation, many of us dream about riches, particularly when we are short on money. Many of us dream of money simply because it makes us feel good at the time. It allows us to experience the joy of being rich when our dreams and wants become actual in our eyes. Others, on the other side, have no desire for wealth, claiming that it is meaningless, that wealth is useless, and that they are content with what they have. Unfortunately, we live on a planet that is forever changing socially and economically, and money is the main mode of exchange for the goods and services that we require to sustain our quality of life, and in some cases, to survive. Here are 10 reasons why you should become rich, so don't die poor. 1. We feel more comfortable. When our basic wants as human beings are achieved, we are perfectly happy. We are more creative when we are comfortable. In this context, comfort does not imply being content with where we are in life and unwilling to push ourselves to improve. It's about having our basic needs fulfilled so that we can function properly and be our best self every day. 2. With less stress, we tend to have more free time. You'll be shocked at how much free time you have when you don't have to worry about money. That is absolutely correct. We have more options and make better decisions about our health, finances, and overall well-being when we are financially wealthy. 3. We'll have more fun. When it comes to deciding whether or not to do something, how often does money play a role? If we're rich, our decisions will be based on whether we really want to do something rather than whether we can afford it. Now, I hope you've gotten some value from this video. If you are, I'd like you to do something right now. Simply pause this video. Go ahead and hit the like button and then subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be updated anytime we upload inspirational videos such as this one. Done? Great. Let's continue. 4. We'll be more generous. We'll have more energy and stamina to contribute at work, at home, and in our communities if we're physically wealthy. We can donate money, sponsor a child, support a cause that we believe in, and so on if we are financially rich. Our level of generosity is influenced by our sense of self-worth, and income has an impact on it. 5. In order to grow, we have to learn. We will have to learn new skills in order to become rich. It might be learning how to become financially successful by becoming an investor, how to improve one's health, or how to improve one's relationships. These will demand our growth, progress, and development to a higher degree of performance. 6. We can make greater impact. Consider financial wealth. If we don't have enough money, the good we can do in the world is limited to our own physical presence. That means we're limited in how much time we can commit to a cause or effort. If we are wealthy, we may be able to invest in more resources such as people, technology, equipment, and so on, and better use our time. And we don't always have to do the job ourselves to make a difference. 7. We become better parents. We'll be able to raise our children with an abundance mind rather than a lack and limited mindset if we're wealthy. Consider times when you, as a parent, decided not to buy or do anything for your children because you thought you couldn't afford it. Wouldn't it have been simpler if your financial situation hadn't played a role in your decision? 8. People at our level will be attracted to us. It's unusual for healthy people to socialize with unhealthy people unless they're family. We become like the individuals we surround ourselves with. Because, like attracts like, we'll spend more time with people who are similar to us, which is usually a positive thing. 9. Our beliefs will need to be changed. Our thinking must change in order to attract, keep, and grow our wealth, which often involves adopting new beliefs about ourselves, others, and the world. Our actions are frequently a reflection of our beliefs, and in order to improve our results, we must develop new beliefs. 10. We'll live a happier life. Money, it is commonly thought, will not make us happy. Although the origins of the concept were little confused, the impact it had was huge. The initial idea was that money's love will not make us happy. It's not about loving, obsessing over, or hoarding money. It's about realizing that money or wealth is just a tool for getting what we want. It's fine to be wealthy and have a good financial relationship. If we consider wealth holistically, we'll realize being wealthy has a lot more benefits. and provides us with so many more choices in life. We can do a lot more in the world if we're wealthy compared to not being wealthy. It really comes down to what we believe to be true about wealth. Take a look at your current definition of wealth. If your beliefs about wealth aren't giving you the results you want, explore ways you can learn how to be wealthy in all aspects of your life. Does being rich make you happy or not? Why? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. If you get value out of this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll be very happy if you can also share this with your social media, so together, we can help others. By the way, if you're looking to be more successful in life and money, you can watch this video we handpicked for you. See you on the next one.